Good morning, students. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss about assignment. Topic is mixtures and compounds. Topic is mixtures and compounds. Let us discuss about questions in the assignment. First question. Elements are compounds mixed together to form dash. Once again, elements are compounds just mixed together to form dash. Answer is mixture. Answer is mixture. Second question. Mixture has a dash composition. Mixture has a dash composition. Answer is variable composition. Answer is variable composition. Third question. Mixture shows properties of dash. I will repeat again. Mixtures shows properties of dash. Answer is constituent substances. Constituent substances. Next, fourth question. The consistent of a mixture can be separated fairly easily by dash methods. I will repeat again. The constituents of a mixture can be separated by fairly easily by dash methods. Answer is physical methods. Answer is physical methods. Next, fifth question. Elements react to form dash. Elements react to form dash. Answer is compounds. Answer is compound. A dash is a substance composed two or more elements chemically combined in a fixed proportion. I will repeat again. A dash is a substance composed two or more elements chemically combined in a fixed proportion. Answer is compound. Answer is compound. Sixth question. Answer is compounds. And next, seventh question. The constituents of a compound can be separated by dash methods. I will repeat again. The constituents of a compound can be separated by dash methods. chemical methods. Answer is chemical methods. Eighth question. Properties of a dash are different to their constituent elements. I will repeat again. Properties of a dash are different to their constituent elements. Answer is compound. Answer is compound. Ninth question. Pure substance can be dash. I will repeat again. Pure substance can be dash. Answer is elements, element or compound. Pure substance can be element or compound. 10th question. Is matter is pure? No, matter is not pure. So, is matter is pure? No, matter is not pure. Thank you, students. Thank you all.